Mute because I can hear some disturbance from some of you. I don't know, some vehicle passing and all those sounds. Just mute. All of you. Ameya, mute yourself. Devadarshan, mute.
Because of that sound, I can hear you.
Mute it. Okay. So last class we studied the degrees of comparison, positive, comparative, and superlative. So as I told you, positive is used when there is no comparison or when there is equal level of comparison. But comparative is used, it's a little more higher. It's used when there are two objects to be compared. Remember? How can you easily identify a comparative degree adjective? Varada? It ends with which two letters?
Uh,
For example,
ES
yeah, if I give you big, what is the comparative form of big?
biggest.
Uh-huh. I ask
E.
comparative, not superlative.
Bigger.
And small.
Wait. Others,
Bigger.
please don't talk in between. Yeah,
Bigger.
bigger. Very good. So almost all the comparatives, comparative degree of adjectives ends in ER. Hmm? And you can see a than followed after this. Immediately after that, you can see a than, bigger than, smaller than, greater than, etc. That is the easiest way to identify a comparative degree in sentence. Then what is superlative? Adidev, can you say what is superlative? What is the easiest way to identify a superlative? It ends in,
Higher degree.
yeah, it's the highest degree, and it ends in,
Two things ends
uh,
with
mm, the letters. Which are the letters?
est.
EST or ST. Okay. It ends in most of the cases with EST or ST. And you can always see article the definite article the in front of it. The biggest, the smallest, the greatest. That is the easiest way to identify a superlative from sentences. Okay. So that was regarding the identification. Now, we will learn, last class we learned some spelling
Ma'am,
rules.
excuse me, ma'am.
Remember, we learned some spelling rules.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Adide,
Ma'am, Adinal cannot join.
it's okay. What happened?
He can.
Okay, he can see the recorded video. Now you just see how we'll recall all the spelling rules. First rule we learn, remember the rules. How can you easily add and make that into positive, into comparative and superlative? In comparative, which are the two letters you have to add? Tell me.
Ear.
Very
Yeah.
good. Very good. Very good. I'll give you one simple. Brave. Braver. And superlative is bravest.
Bravest.
Okay. And the spelling rules are, remember, in almost all the cases we can add ER and EST, but there are certain cases when it ends with E, just add R in comparative and ST in superlative. We learned all these things. And Y, the words ending with Y, happy. What we have,
Happy.
I.
yeah,
I.
IER.
Happy.
And in superlative,
Happier.
I.
IEST.
Happiest.
EST.
Okay,
Happiest.
so you remember that. And the three-letter words, last letter, if it is a consonant and preceded by a vowel, the last will become double. Remember all these rules which we learned?
Yes.
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 Yeah. The next rule we will learn is about more and most. We cannot add ER and EST in all the cases. Okay. When you have long adjectives, for example, I'll give you a long adjective here. Beautiful. Can you mute? I can hear somebody talking behind you. Please mute, my dear children. Yeah, then you can listen peacefully. Adidev and all, please mute. Yeah, okay. So while I'm asking, you can unmute and speak. Okay, beautiful. As you know, beautiful. Can we say the comparative as beautifuler and superlative as beautifulest?
No.
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 Then what you have to do? Add more in comparative. So the word will become more beautiful. One second. Okay. More beautiful in comparative and most beautiful, most beautiful in superlative. Why? What is the rule behind this? It happens only with the case of long adjectives and another word I'll give you, intelligent. So what is the comparative? What will be the comparative of intelligent? Will it be intelligenter?
No, more
No.
intelligent.
More intelligent in comparative and superlative will be
Most intelligent.
most intelligent. See, when you look at these words, intelligent, beautiful and all, you can see there are more than three or more than three vowels. See, look at this. Know the vowel letters very clearly. Look at the vowel, count the vowels in all these sentences, all these words. See, look at this. That is what the rule follows. So when there are more than three or more than three vowel units, we have to add more in comparative and most in superlative. Got it? It's not like the small words like hot, big, brave, wise and all. Look at these words. It has three or more than three vowel units. So when you get a long adjective, keep in mind, you have to add more in comparative and most in superlative. I'll give you another word to make it more clear. Another word is interesting.
More interesting.
Yeah, more interesting in comparative and superlative will be
Most interesting.
most interesting. Most interesting. You know it. It's not a hard nut to crack. It's easy. Difficult. What will be difficult then? Difficult.
More difficult.
More difficult and most difficult in superlative. Then important. Important.
More important.
More important and most important. Then expensive.
More expensive.
Expensive, most expensive.
Expensive. You got it now? Is
Yes.
it clear?
Yes.
The case of
Yes.
long adjective? Okay, now you have to take worksheet 23. Do you have your workbooks ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Take the first worksheet of comparison, worksheet 23. Okay, I'm going to start with Diya. Diya, can you read the first one is already done there. The second one. All of you take worksheet 23. Turn the pages and take worksheet 23. There is no page number. Just take worksheet 23 and be ready. Diya, read the second one. Ready? Yeah. Which is the second word, Diya? Loudly. Big. Big. Comparative is Okay. And superlative is? Biggest. Can you spell bigger? Say the spelling of the word bigger.
Ma'am, can I say?
B-I. The I can't hear. There is a problem in your
Ma'am,
audio,
can
I
I
think.
say?
Yeah. Dia, once again, can you repeat?
D-I-E-E-R.
G-G? E-R. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Then, Prajwal, can you read the third? Sweet?
Sweeter.
Mm.
Sweetest.
Okay, good. Sweeter. What is the spelling of sweeter?
Sweeter.
Okay, very good. It's very simple. Just add ER in comparative and EST in superlative. Gauri Nanda, can you read large? Gauri Nandana. Large. Why this delay? Okay, I'll give to Viraj then. Viraj, your book is ready? Then read. Yeah, Viraj. Large. Comparative of large is? First you say the comparative. What is the comparative of large? Comparative form of large.
Large.
Large. What do you have to add to make it into comparative? It will become? Larger. And superlative will be? Largest. Heard, Viraj? The spelling of larger is L-A-R-G-E-R. Just add R. What is the rule? Because it ends in E, you have to just add R in comparative and ST in superlative. Okay. Ale Arun, your book is ready? Ale, can you read fat? Fat.
Fatter.
Yeah. In superlative, fattest. Spelling?
F-A-T-T-E-R.
Okay, it will become double. What is the rule we learned? If it is a three-letter word, if the last letter ends in a consonant preceded by a vowel, the last consonant will become double. That's what we discussed now. Then thin, thin. Thinner and thinnest. What is the spelling of thinner, Anne Maria? Thinner. Yeah, say Anne Maria. Thinner.
T-H-I-N-E-R.
There also the N will become double. Thin. Okay. It will become double. T-H-I-N-N-E-R and in superlative T-H-I-N-N-E-S. Now Chris. Are you ready, Chris? Chris, can you hear me? Chris?
Fattest.
Chris? No, he's not listening. Henry?
Fatter.
Somebody else is saying something else. I have not, I've already finished.
Gauri.
Gauri. Higher. Gauri. Higher.
And Gauri Nandana.
Gauri Nandana, you're so late. When did I call you and now you're coming? Henry? Wait, Gauri, I'll give you another chance. Henry. Hi.
Yes. Huh?
Hi.
Higher.
And superlative?
Highest.
Okay, can you spell the word higher?
H-I-G-H-E-R.
Very good. Now, Gauri, are you back? Why your video is turned off? Gauri, read the word happy. Gauri, unmute. Gauri, read the word happy.
I'm happy. Happy. Happier.
Happier in comparative and superlative will be
Happiness.
eh?
Happy. Happiest.
Happiest. What are you saying, Gauri? Huh?
Happiness.
It's wrong, dear. Happier and happiest. Okay. And Gauri, you have to say the spelling of happier also. What will happen to that Y? Sit straight and say fast. Gauri. H-A.
Happper.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Is it correct, my dear children? I taught you the rule. If it ends with Y, what will happen, Gauri? Y will be changed into I. So H-A-P-P-I-E-R and H-A-P-P-I-E-S-T. Gauri, listen carefully, okay?
Ma'am, I think so she was not there in
In between she went somewhere. Okay, Devadarshan, can you read heavy? Heavy. Only he will answer. Others please be quiet. Yeah.
Heavily.
Is it heavily? Comparative. Heavier.
Can I
And
say?
superlative will be? Superlative will be heaviest. You have to add ER in comparative and EST in superlative. Remember? I hope everyone is listening carefully.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah. Who is that?
Leia.
Yeah, Leia, say. Leia, turn on your video, Leia.
Yes.
Yes, Leia. I want you to say wealthy.
Wealthier
Mm.
and wealthiest.
Okay, spelling will be?
Wealthier is W E A L T H I E R.
Okay, very good. And it will be IEST in superlative. So you know the rule of spellings. Very good, very good. Many of you know the rules, but those who are not listening, see, the spellings are very important when you change a word into comparative and superlative. If your spellings are wrong, there won't be, that answer will be considered as wrong. Spelling rules are very important. Okay. Yeah.
I can say
Okay, you can say voice, Adidev.
wiser,
Mm.
wisest.
Okay, spelling you know. W-I-S-E-R and
W-S-E-R,
W-I-S-E-S-T.
W-I-S.
Rohit Krishna, can you say fine? So while I'm saying, you can complete the worksheet. Yeah, fine. Rohit,
Final.
Rohit, unmute. Yeah.
Final.
Mm. Finer and finest. Okay, spelling of finer is?
F-I-N-E-R.
Okay, good. Then, next one is important. Ameya, can you say important? Others keep quiet, okay? Important. We learned that rule today.
Yay.
Comparative. Say comparative first.
More important.
Very good. More important. And superlative?
More important.
More important is comparative.
And most important.
Superlative will be?
Most.
What do you have to add in superlative?
Most important.
Most important. Got it, Ameya? Try the next one also, Ameya, so you will get it. Ameya, try
Most
the
important.
next. Try beautiful also.
Most important.
Yeah, very good. Can you try beautiful also?
Beautiful.
More beautiful.
Most beautiful.
Okay,
Most beautiful.
most beautiful. Now, Jeswin, can you say the last one difficult? Hope it's not difficult for you.
Ma'am.
Wait, others, please don't shout. Somebody's always shouting the answer. Yeah, let others get a chance. Yeah.
Difficult.
Can we say difficulter and difficultest? It's wrong. So what will be the answer, Jasmine? Hmm. What do you have to add? Jasmine, if it is long adjective, what do you have to add? More in comparative and most in superlative. So what will happen to this difficult?
More
More
difficult.
difficult. And superlative will be?
Most difficult.
Okay, most difficult. You got it now? Long adjective, 3 or more than 3 vowel units, more in comparative and most in superlative. Only that you have to keep in mind. Okay, hope you got it clearly. Now quickly we'll see an exercise of identifying the degrees of comparison. So which are the 3 degrees of comparison? Tell me, please mute all of you. Positive, comparative and superlative. Now what we are going to do now is identify the degrees of comparison used in the following sentences. Okay, we're going to identify the degrees. You have to read the sentence and say whether it is in positive, comparative or in superlative. Look at the first sentence. Reena is more intelligent than her sister. No need to shout. I'll ask Varada, can you try the first one?
More intelligent.
Okay, that is a word, but tell me which degree is used here.
Comparative.
Okay, very good. It's comparative.
Ma'am.
Yeah, can you see the board now? The questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
first one, Varada said that it's comparative degree. Okay, it's correct. I'll make it short. I'll put a C for comparative. Now, Anne Maria, can you read the next one and say which degree of comparison is used?
Australia is the largest
Island.
island in the world.
Okay.
And it's largest.
Yeah, very good. So which degree?
Superlative.
Very good. This is how you identify degrees of comparison used. Now, next. Prajwal, can you try the next one?
Hotter.
Hotter than. Okay, so which degree?
Comparative.
Very good. Then, Anvia, want to try? Yeah. Fourth one. Okay. Which degree?
Superlative.
Very good. Very good. You're getting it. Now, Anupama, can you try the fifth one? Question 5.
I can lead.
You came late because of connection problem. Okay, here we are trying to identify the degrees of comparison. We're going to try whether it is superlative, comparative, or positive. Can you see the sentences in your screen? Is it okay? Many of you have turned off your video. I don't know why your videos are turned off. It's not a good practice. Varada, can you try the fifth one also? Unmute, unmute.
Can I tell? He
Yeah.
is the richest man in the town.
Okay,
In
which
the
degree
town.
is used?
Richest
Ah,
super.
superlative. It is superlative. Then sixth one. Who want to try?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Say your name.
I
Okay, try.
A tortoise is smaller than a dog.
We will not say, wait. We will not read the word as tortoise. It's tortoise. How to read? Tortoise. Tortoise. It's not tortoise. It's wrong if you read tortoise. It's tortoise. A tortoise is smaller than a dog. Which degree is used?
Smaller comparative.
Very good. Smaller, and it is comparative. Okay. Then she looks so beautiful. Which degree? Yes.
More beautiful.
There is no more beautiful over here. I just
am
read the
beautiful.
sentence. Yeah, just beautiful. So which degree?
Positive.
Very good. Who said it?
Abel.
Abel. Very good, Abel. Okay. Then eighth one. Ameya, can you try the eighth one? Yeah, try the eighth. Wait, it's a new thing for you. I'll explain. My bedroom is as large as the living room.
Can I say?
Yeah, just make a guess if you're getting.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah,
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, positive.
very good. It's positive. So whenever you see
Positive.
as, then an adjective, and as, it is positive. As large as beautiful as smart as. Because the comparison level is equal, so it is positive. Then the ninth one. This is the, yeah.
Ma'am, I can.
Who's this?
Ma'am, can I say ninth one? Adidev.
Adidev, you want to try the ninth one? Okay, you can go ahead.
Costliest.
Costliest, which degree?
Superlative.
Very good. And the last one. This
Ma'am,
ring.
can I
Beautiful.
Ma'am, can I say beautiful? Positive.
Positive. Now you're fighting to say the answer. Okay, it's good. Now almost all of you got it. So those who were listening, they all got it. Very good. I'm happy. Okay, very good. Now, shall we go for a small test?
Yes.
This is again identification of comparative degrees of comparison. Just
Ready to
do it quickly. Time is limited.
Ready to do it.
Just 3 questions.
Maybe next connection will be there. The last class.
One
The
second.
last test I didn't attend because
Got the link?
No.
No.
Now?
Yes.
Yes, it's there. It's there. It's already 9:03. 3 questions. Don't take more time.
biggest animal?
Ma'am, I submit.
Submitted. Okay, good.
Ma'am, I can't take my class anymore.
Finished?
Ma'am, I submit.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you give the link again?
You want me to send the link again? Why? This.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I submit.
Okay. Finished?
Yes.
Ma'am, I submitted. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I submit.
I submit. Ma'am, I submit.
Okay, okay. Viraj, Arfan, you have to be a little more careful. John Daniel.
Ma'am, I submit.
Hope you have seen your scores also.
Yes.
Really?
Okay.
I submit.
Okay, that's enough. So we'll stop. Meet you in the next class by the time you complete
you,
all the
ma'am.
notes. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.